How to use walking direction in Google Maps. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Google Maps. Log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the search bar and enter a destination. Simply tap on direction button. And just like that, Google Maps will automatically choose a travel mode. So make sure you tap on the walking icon right over here. Your current location should appear as a starting point. If not, enter your own starting point from here. Google Maps will show the best walking routes along with the estimated walking time and distance. To start, you can simply tap on the start button, and as you walk, Google Maps will provide turn-by-turn direction and update your location in real time. You can even zoom in the map for closer view or check alternate walking routes if possible. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.